Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Saturday. I had to catch y'all up today because I missed y'all on yesterday on Friday. But hopefully, you all enjoyed the market on Friday. We saw some gains. I guess not too crazy, but just enough to, I guess, make some people smile. Some people still frying, I guess, from all the major losses we taken. But next week, we really got some major earnings coming up that could potentially push the market up or down. And on top of that, the week after that, we have the Fed meeting coming up. So before I get into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So let's talk about it, right? We're gonna start off with a quick review of the market, right? So the Dow was up 2.47%, S&P 500 up 2.37%, Nasdaq up 2.31%, and the Russell up 2.22%. Now these are all major gains in my opinion, but the 5-day 2.29%. The month up 1.61%. You all know we just reviewed this, so y'all keep it in your mind. We got the Dow on the 5-day up 3.11%. On the month up 5%. So we finally doing some turnaround, y'all. The question is, will we remain in this direction? Will we remain to the upside with some of the earnings? I'm gonna tell y'all how those things correlate coming up. The Nasdaq on the 5-day we up 2.11%. On the month we are actually still down 0.076%, but that's nothing. That's a small things right now. That's a small loss over the past month. We know we hit our new low right here, October 14th from June 16th. So our previous low was June 16th. Our new low was October 14th. So y'all keep up with those things, right? That's about a 3-4 month difference, right? 4-month difference. So 4 months. And we also know we have the potential of a recession in 2023. It's almost pretty much set in stone with the way they've been talking about the 10-year yield and the 2-year yield. But we're not going to even talk about that this time, right? Right now, I want us to take a look at earnings. What earnings are coming up on next week? So on Monday, we got quite a few things here, but the one, I don't see anything on Monday I think that's going to really concern me. On Tuesday, though, in the after hours, we got Microsoft and Alphabet. So Microsoft and Google. Alphabet is Google. They same company. Those two are going to be some major market movers for the after hours. And so far this past week, earnings has done well. We've seen pretty much everyone beat earnings. We saw Tesla beat earnings, yet still plummeted because it showed a loss of revenue, which means I told you guys, right? We had to be concerned because, hey, have they been shipping? Supply shortage and things of that nature. Also, Elon already has this Twitter thing hanging over his head, which is neither here nor there, but it is definitely hanging over his head, and he has a lot of people questioning, whether he's a reliable leader or do they want to keep investing with Tesla, or how Tesla will be affected by this purchase, because they're saying that Tesla still may have to sell, I want to say, $8 million. I'm saying million, but $8 million. Y'all don't take that for facts. Y'all do your own research on that one. But I think they're saying he still may have to sell $8 million if he is forced to purchase Twitter. So that's something to keep in mind, right? You all know we did some YOLO plays last week on the Tesla. Well, Netflix. I didn't even tell y'all about Tesla, but I did one on Tesla. I took an L on that, but that's fine. On Wednesday, another big dog. We got Meta, Facebook, right? We got Facebook. Thursday, Apple. You all know the S&P 500 is built on Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet. Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet. So if any of these three companies does bad, if all three do bad, oh my goodness. If one, we may be fine. We might push down hot and heavy, but if all three come down, y'all, next week is gonna be a bloody week. But as of right now, due to last week kind of setting the standard, I'm really anticipating a lot of green this week. I am anticipating earnings coming in hot and heavy. I anticipate everyone beating their EPS, their expected earnings per share, and I'm expecting some minor revenue losses, especially for Apple, because we know they had their issues with some iPhone releases and things of that nature. But as far as Microsoft and Apple go, I expect things to be fine, to be honest. Now, hey, don't hold me to that. Again, I can't see the future, but these are just my expectations, things that I expect out of the market next week, right? Right. So let's take a look at our chart. So you all know I've been telling you, gotta keep our eyes on this, right? We know I charted. Oh, let me go back. I'm on the wrong one. So SPY. we've come back up to a nice little level. We have not broken the level of 374. I want to say this is 374. So we're sitting at 374.29, and let me spread this out so we can see it some more. 376. If we break that level, that means we could be bullish again, just for a little while now, for the time being. For the time being, that does not mean forever, but for the time being, we can see us go all the way back up here to about 380 if we break 376. But if we come below that, who knows? And I would anticipate, again, I told you I think earnings is going to be the market move for this right as of right now. So I think that'll be one of the reasons why we see the market continue to come down. So I'm getting rid of my MACD. Hopefully you all are watching me, and hopefully you all always watch me as I do these charts and kind of look through things, so you know how to add your own indicators here using Webull. You can add the MACD. I like the MACD, especially I prefer it when I'm trading. I look at it for the 5-minute and the 15-minute. So, and that tells me, hey, is it strong to the upside? So right here, strong to the upside on Friday. I knew that, and I had some call options in, and I pretty much rolled with it. If it's strong to the downside on the 5-minute, depending on where I'm trying to go, right? Depending on which way I'm trying to do, I look at those things. As of right now, on the day chart, looks like we're strong to the upside, and that could probably be attributed to a strong market. And next week, the question is, again, are we going to continue to show this? Are we going to continue to show this strong bullishness? So I'm really hoping so. As of right now, I think if we can break this 376 line, I can see us going back up here to the 380.51. So that's a love for y'all, right? Calls for y'all. If y'all see that. If we come back below this 372, I want to say it is 372, then we could potentially see things, get back ugly. But that's okay, right? We're going to do puts on that. Now, if we break below here, who knows? Y'all see here, this is our new bottom down here as far as the S&P go with a spot. I'm going to say the spot. You see me grab my drawings. I'm going to add me a horizontal line there. I'm going to come down here, and I'm probably going to put it about right here at the tip of it, because I want to get out early, right? I want to always be early, not late. And I already have it red, because that means those are my downside. My upside, I come here, I change it to green. I can click on my line. I come here, and I change to green. So that's just some tips for y'all on the charts. If y'all want to, hey, if you haven't been charting, if you know how to chart, there you go. Some tips, all right? Easy tips, things to look for. Y'all can take a screenshot of this. Now, in fact, let me go back to the earnings. Y'all make sure y'all take a screenshot of this. You all tell me in the comments which companies do y'all think are important. Which companies are big dogs to y'all. So get y'all screenshots in, right? But for me, the companies that I'm going to be watching, I'm going to be watching Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, Apple, Amazon. Ooh, I didn't even mention Amazon, y'all. Did I completely overlook Amazon? Another big dog in the S&P 500. So let's look at this, right? Let's see. And I'm showing y'all how useful Google can be. S&P 500 companies. So, right? Companies list. You come right here, companies list, and it tells you, okay, what companies in the app. All the companies. Look at the top 3 right here, y'all. Apple number 1. Microsoft number 2. Amazon number 3. And all of them have earnings next week. So we could potentially see a lot. And Alphabet number 4. So really the top 4 companies in the S&P 500, and Tesla being number 5 we showed last week. The top 5 companies in the S&P 500 will have said earnings reports at the end of next week, and we can either see some potential movement to the upside or some potential movement to the downside. As of right now, I'm thinking Apple may beat the EPS, but I'm thinking they're going to lose some revenue. Microsoft, I have not really done any research on Microsoft to see them taking a loss, but I do see them beating their earnings. Amazon, I see them beating their earnings, also taking a hit on revenue due to some slowdown in the economy. I don't think people are ordering as much online. So these are things y'all keep in mind. Now, if y'all disagree, please let me know in the comments how y'all feel. Please let me know, because I'm out here trying to make money. I'm trying to let y'all make money as well. So these are things to keep in mind. See the power of Google. Come in here, do your research. Always do your research. Don't take my word for everything, right? Because I don't know. I'm out here analyzing these things just like you all are. But that's what I got, right? So the S&P 500, the Dow, we can see make some major moves next week. I'm hoping to see a lot of green. I'm hoping that we see a bear market rally, which means we're in a bear market, but this bad boy can go back bullish for a while until we break 20% from the lows, though. Keep that in mind, y'all. Till we break 20% from the lows, we are not bullish yet. So I could see, I want to see us have a bear market rally over the next couple months. Who knows? Next week could be good, but then we got 2 weeks. Like I said again, We got the Fed speech. The Fed speech could really be a major turnaround for us. They come in this joker with a 1%, interest rate hike, 75 basis points, 50 basis points. Who knows? But depending on that, the market could definitely turn around on us real short and quick. But we're gonna focus 1 week at a time. With all the things that are going on, you can only focus 1 day at a time. Try and make that money on that day and keep it rolling, right? You all know I have not been swinging outside of these YOLO plays. And actually, I took an L on every one I took, but I made that money back during the day. So that's okay. It was money I was willing to lose. But yeah, that's what I got for you all. Make sure you all reviewed your finances this week. Don't forget that's the wealthy word. Make sure that you all know what's coming up for this week. Be prepared. Be properly prepared for anything. So hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys later.